Without using logarithm tables, find the value of x in this equation. Logarithm of x cubed plus logarithm of 5x is equals to 5 logarithm of 2 subtract logarithm of 2 divided by 5. Now, before solving this question, you need to recall some basic laws of logarithms. And when you look at the left-hand side of the equation, there is a basic law that you're going to use, and I will state it here. Given logarithm of A plus logarithm of B, this one written as a singular logarithm can be simplified to logarithm of A times logarithm of B. That is what you're going to use on the left-hand side of the equation. Now, on the right-hand side of the equation, we are going to use the law of subtraction. Given logarithm of A subtract logarithm of B, this one we can simplify it and write it as a singular log as logarithm of A divided by logarithm of B. Still another one that you're going to use on the right-hand side, where we have 5 logarithm of 2, we're going to use this one. Given n logarithm of A, this one can be simplified as logarithm of A raised to power n. So these are the 3 important basic laws of logarithm that you're going to employ in solving this question. Now let's go to the left-hand side of the equation. Logarithm of x cubed plus logarithm of 5x. We can simplify that using the first law, and this one written as a singular logarithm will be simplified as logarithm of x cubed multiplied by 5x. Like that. This is the left-hand side. We shall work out the left-hand side, then we go to the right-hand side. So this one will simplify to logarithm of 5x raised to power 4. When you multiply this, x cubed multiplied by 5x will be 5x raised to power 4. Let's go to the right-hand side of the equation. 5 logarithm of 2, we're going to use this law number 3. N logarithm of A is equals to logarithm of A raised to power n. So for this one, we shall have logarithm of 2 raised to power 5. So 5 logarithm of 2 will simplify to logarithm of 2 raised to power 5, which will be logarithm of 2 raised to power 5 will be 32. Now we have 5 logarithm of 2 written as logarithm of 32 subtract logarithm of 2 divided by 5. So we can use law number 2, the law of subtraction at this level, and write this one as a singular logarithm, and this one will be simplified as logarithm of 32 divided by 2 over 5. And this one will simplify to logarithm of 32 divided by 2 over 5. This will be 32 multiplied by 5 over 2. And this one will simplify to 16 times 5. This will be 80. So this will simplify to 80. So we have simplified the whole of the right-hand side of the equation to be logarithm of 80. The left-hand side of the equation was here. So now we have logarithm of 5x raised to power 4 is equals to the right-hand side, which is logarithm of 80. Now from here, we can drop the logs. We can drop the logs. You can see we have logarithm here and we have logarithm both sides. So when you drop the logs, we shall have 5x raised to power 4 is equals to 80. So now we want to solve for x, so we can divide both sides of this equation by 5, so that we have x raised to power 4, when we divide this side by 5, is equals to 80 divided by 5 will give 16. like that. So we have x raised to power 4 is equals to 16. Now we can write 16 so that to contain power 4 like this. 16 can be written as 2 raised to power 4. So we have x raised to power 4 is equals to 16. We can write it as 2 raised to power 4. So we want to get the value of x. So from here, we can simply get the fourth root. Get the fourth root of both sides. Get the fourth root of both sides. The fourth root of x raised to power 4 will be x, and the fourth root of 2 raised to power 4 will be 2. And therefore, the value of x in that trigonometric equation will be given by x is equals to 2.